This video demonstrates the outdoor Coldfit Termination up to 35 kV for jacketed concentric neutral cable. The outdoor Coldfit Terminations developed by Prysmian Group are designed for fast, easy, and reliable installation. To begin, prepare the cable using the cutback dimensions shown in the instruction manual. Abrade the cable jacket at the jacket cutback for better mastic adhesion. Open the cable jacket using appropriate tools. Remove the jacket back to the established cutback. Next, use light tension and apply a single wrap of mastic around the cable jacket 1/4 of an inch from the jacket edge. Carefully fold the neutral wires back onto the cable jacket while pressing the wires into the waterproof mastic. Wrap a second piece of mastic directly over the embedded neutral wires, providing a moisture seal. Using moderate tension, cover the leading edge of the mastic with 2 half-lapped layers of vinyl tape. Score the insulation shield with appropriate tool, being careful not to cut completely. Remove the insulation shield. Next, remove the cable insulation with the appropriate tool. Install the SHEARBOLT lug. Shear off bolts using appropriate tool. Clean the cable by removing all traces of the insulation shield from the cable insulation. Always clean in the direction of the insulation shield and avoid pulling particles onto the cable insulation. Wrap the high permittivity mastic pad starting at the neutral wires, avoiding air entrapment. Wrap 1/2 lapped layer of PVC tape starting 1/2 of an inch from the edge of the high permittivity mastic pad and finishing 1/4 of an inch on top of the previously applied waterproofing black mastic. Apply the silicone grease at the high permittivity mastic pad. To install the first termination body, use the termination with the pull-down rings and pull the loose end of the removable core through the top of the termination within 1 coil of the bottom. Next, slide the bottom housing of the termination body over the cable and align the bottom edge of the termination with the metallic shield. Place 2 fingers over the termination and 2 fingers over the mastic buildup. While holding the bottom of the housing, pull the cord and unwind its core in the direction shown on the termination until the housing is completely shrunk. Reposition after a few pulls if necessary. Apply the high permittivity mastic strip to the top of the first silicone housing and cover it with one wrap of PVC tape. To install the second termination body, slowly pull the plastic cord, unwinding it within one coil of the bottom. Slide the second termination body over the cable and align per instructions. While holding the bottom of the housing, pull the cord and unwind its core in the direction shown on the termination until the housing is completely shrunk. After the top housing of the termination body is installed, apply a light coat of silicone grease to the exposed bottom portion of the boot and mastic buildup. To extend the boot, firmly hold the pull-down rings and pull completely down over the mastic seal. Twist the neutrals for final ground connection. This completes the outdoor Coldfit termination up to 35 kV for jacketed concentric neutral cable.